weighing in at 237 pounds,
I write my story
New
on the cage.
Jack.
No mercy given, no second fucking breath. New Jack's world, hardcore death. Gangsta life, I break the law.
Given the participants, this match might very well steal the show, guys.
Yeah, and I think you could go so far as to say it has the makings of a Match of the Year candidate.
Hardcore forever, I'm New Jack. Hardcore forever, I'm New Jack. Violence in my veins, chaos in my soul. New Jack's fury, out of control. Fuck you.
Title match or not, Byron, the champ certainly looks ready to go here tonight.
Oh, he definitely is, Michael. In fact, some of the superstars in the back were commenting earlier today about how focused he looks coming into this match.
Happy Rusev Day!
And from Bulgaria, weighing in at 304 pounds, the WWE Champion, Rusev!
There's only one holiday worth celebrating 365 days a year. You know what that is, Byron?
I don't know. What is it, Corey?
It's Rusev Day.
Here it is.
Rusev Day is a real-life phenomenon, taking the world by storm.
It really is a holiday, Byron. It pops up on my calendar on my phone.
Okay, so no matter how you feel about this made-up holiday,
What it has done is provide virtual jet fuel for the confidence of Rusev, who is more driven than we've ever seen him.
For this one is absolutely insane, guys.
And if you think this is insane, just wait until this thing kicks into high gear. You ain't seen nothing yet.
Berlin, Germany, weighing in at 303 pounds, dynamic War Colin.
If this one lives up to the hype, Byron, we're in for an amazing match here tonight. There's no reason to think this one won't live up to the hype, Michael. We're looking at some of the most intense competitors in all of WWE.
War is my passion, I live for the fight. My weapon is my mouth, I burn through the night. Arrogance loaded, flak in the sky. Historians, war console. You bleed, you die. Uso!
Welcome to the Uso Penitentiary.
From San Francisco, California, weighing in at 251 pounds, Jimmy Uso.
Jimmy and Jey Uso have single-handedly transformed the tag team division. You know, if you ask them what made the difference, what made you guys step up your game, Jimmy and Jey will tell you it was the moment we decided to stop being what other people expected us to be and to start being who we are.
Oh, man, this is going to be great. I got right to the gut. Boom. Slam down hard. Boom, what impact. You got to believe this one's over. Clothesline. Yanked him right off the apron.
Oh, no.
Tag. Oh, right to the throat. Great move. A maneuver like that is a great way to turn the tables.
Double underhook suplex.
This might be it.
Oh, my. Headbutt.
What a stomp. Good grief. Reverse bulldog. Mighty Rusev looking a bit surprised by this assault. He came into this match expecting... Oh, and he makes the tag.
That was a game changer right there, Michael.
Oh, distance there. Brought in the hard way. Ooh, what impact. Clothesline. What's this? Mention of Gucci driver. Absolutely planted. He looks a bit off his game here. To be expected, though. It's not like he's in there with a slouch, guys.
He obviously came into this match intent on taking the fight to the outside as much as he could, though I'm not sure that's the right approach.
By the looks of things, I don't think he expected his opponent to be as motivated as he clearly is here tonight.
Going to be woozy after that impact. Oh, nasty impact. He wants no part of the outside. Oh, boom! Oh, swept the leg right out from under. Tossed around like a rag doll. Not looking good for Jimmy Uso here. He needs to create some space and find a way to get back on the offensive.
This match is so evenly contested right now that it's almost impossible to pick a winner.
Yikes.
I guess we'll just have to settle in and enjoy the action.
Oh! Face crusher!
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Beautiful technique.
It might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
He's making a statement here with this attack. He's on his heels, and at this point, you have to wonder if he can recover from this.
He's not looking like himself right now, and I hate to say it, but this might be the beginning of the end for him here.
He's in a bad spot, guys. I wouldn't be surprised if he hightails it through the crowd. You should go with him, Byron.
Whoa, Rusev dodged that one.
I don't think there's any coming back from this type of assault. This might be the beginning of the end for him.
Whether you love him or hate him, if you're human, you have to feel for him right now.
What a stomp!
Good grief. Harsh impact.
Looks like he's starting to sweat now. Looks like he may have let his guard down there for a moment, and it cost him.
Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'd be making a very big mistake. Mark my words.
Face first! Looking at it here.
Head over heels. Yeah, incredible play.
This one's over, guys.
Oh, nasty impact. Boom! Gets out of the way of that. Look out! What a frog splash!
He's taking some offense.
Wow.
We all know, though, this guy has plenty of fight left in him.
Sure, he's taking some punishment here, but given how much he prefers to be on the outside of the ring, he can very well change the outlook of the match with one shot.
I know it's early, but he has to do everything in his power not to let this get out of hand.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Wow, Jimmy Uso just timed that perfectly.
Ooh, what impact. Irish whip. Clothesline.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Right to the back.
Jimmy Uso beginning to look a little weak out there. You can bet this is not how he drew this one up.
Oh man, what a leg drop.
Inching closer to it, and he tags his partner in.
Momentum has certainly shifted here, Michael.
He's in big trouble.
Rusev's in trouble.
Oh no, Rusev still dazed. Rusev can't be enjoying this. When this guy's on, look out.
What a slam. Impactful. Will jar your spine.
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Oh, he's such a tough target. Enziguri knocked him right off his feet.
Yeah, no kidding.
Beautiful technique.
They get dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts. This isn't where he wants to be, guys.
He needs to get back inside that ring.
Nailed it.
Oh no, we know what this is.
When Jimmy starts rolling like this, look out below.
Oh man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Byron, he looks like he has no idea where he is.
Yeah, he is definitely on Dream Street, Michael.
He's in complete control now.
What are we gonna see here?
Hung up on the...
This might be it.
Oh my.
Clothesline! This capacity crowd starting to sense the end is near, and I don't disagree. I don't recall the last time he looked so fatigued.
Boy, at this point, he's gonna need to have some magic up his sleeve if he wants to get back in this match.
Whoa, down he goes. That was impressive, Cole. His partner wants in now. Yeah, but it looks to me like he wants to do this himself.
His partner wants in this match in a bad way, guys. Can't say that I blame him. It's not easy watching your opponent do all the fighting.
Tagged in.
Executed. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Reverses that one.
Oh, kick to the face.
What a stop. Good grief. What a stomp. Good grief. Oh, what a kick.
Damage taken on by Rusev. I'm not sure how this will pan out. You can't help but wonder how much more of this he can take.
I don't know. I don't think he truly understood just how dangerous his opposition was heading into this match. Ooh, that kick could be a game changer. That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Not a lot of superstars can pull off a move like that.
Boom, what impact! Jimmy Uso taking quite a beating. It just doesn't seem to be his night tonight, guys.
Jimmy Uso is going to need to get his comeback on lockdown. Good call.
Oh, my God. Look out, there he goes.
Knocked right off his feet.
On a terrific reversal by Jimmy Uso.
Knocked off his feet. Now that's a takedown.
He's in a vulnerable spot now, guys.
Look at him. He's wide open for attack. Assault on the lower back.
These guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got. Got the reversal.
Slam with authority. Oh boy, he is rolling. Set him up. Got the head scissors on.
Slam. Oh, the old European uppercut. Back now inside the ring. Got the arm. Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Harsh impact.
He goes down hard. Yeah, he's not looking very good at this point, Cole.
Not so fast.
And setting him up.
Oh, torturous knee.
He's looking very overwhelmed out there. His outlook is not good at all.
And things look bleak right now.
He's in big trouble here. I don't think I remember ever seeing him this much off his game.
Absolutely planet.
Jimmy Uso's looking to end it here.
Beautiful technique.
What a strike. Oh my God, a clothesline.
Yeah, he's got something special brewing here.
No, reverses it. And look, it hung up on the second. Get in there, ref. Boom! The referee goes down hard. What a win.
Harsh impact.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
No, he reverses it. Not where he wants to be right now.
Hey, he got himself into this mess.
Well, he's got to get himself out of it now.
Superplex!
Oh, man, did you see the impact?
Here's where Jimmy can win this thing.
The tension, the drama. This is electric. You gotta believe this one's over.
Ooh, what impact.
Oh, nasty impact.
Boom, what impact. There can only be one top dog here in the WWE, and a win here will go a long way in solidifying one of these guys' claims of being the best in the business.
Sling blade! Nicely done. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Goes down hard.
Takes him down in a major way, too.
Scoop slam. Comes up big with the reversal. Neck breaker. Lariat. Knocked off his feet.
Now that's a takedown.
Incredible impact. You would have to think it takes a special mindset to prepare oneself for a match as brutal as an Extreme Rules match.
This might be it. Oh, my.
Oh, nasty impact.
These guys are giving it their all here tonight, not just to entertain the fans, but to ultimately walk away with the win.
Yeah, he's got something special brewing here. Taking off his feet here. And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous. There's been a lot of talk about this superstar's latest spot in the power rankings, but if you ask me, those things are overblown.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Byron, he looks like he has no idea where he is.
Yeah, he is definitely on Dream Street, Michael.
Byron calf crushers in.
Cinched in, nowhere to go.
Not today.
Well, Jimmy Uso wasn't shy about expressing himself, that's for sure.
Running power slam.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it. Down he goes.
That'll do it every time.
That kick will stop you in your tracks.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
I don't think I've ever seen a more acrobatic finisher.
Look at this.
Ooh, what impact.
Oh, and it's a reversal. He gets him with a reversal. Uh-oh.
Oh, God. Here's where Jimmy can win this thing.
Here he goes. Super kick.
Here's where Jimmy can win this thing. If at first you succeed.
Jimmy Uso looking to attack from high.
Boom, what impact. Now that's a display of excellent ring awareness.
Nicely done.
He's lining him up. He misses the dive.
And unfortunately for him, there was no water in the pool.
A shining wizard will rearrange your face.
See, Jimmy? Hard not to be impressed by that combination. Harsh impact. Oh, Rusev dodged that one.
Eludes that one.
Pile driver.
Spiked him.
And what a reversal from Rusev.
Buster.
Just a nasty headbutt. Leg drop.
Oh my God. Oh, crushing the knee here.
Jawbreaker. Oh, Rusev dodged that one.
What grace. Float over into the DDT.
Spiked him.
Uh-oh, he's in trouble here. This one's for good measure. Shining wizard.
Right to the jaw. Now he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? Whack. Michael, that gives new meaning to have a seat.
He has him right where he wants him. Momentum clearly in his corner.
You gotta believe this one's over.
If that doesn't end it,
Yes! Unreal performance.
and here's another peek at some of the more memorable parts of the match.
These superstars gave as good as they got, and these fans got their money's worth from the opening bell.
That's a quick win for him, ladies and gentlemen.
This guy impressed the hell out of me